Hi, today we're working on page 59, which is parts of speech. We've been working a little bit with nouns and verbs and adjectives. And so today we're going to keep working with that, but then also work on subjects and predicate. Subject is who or what the sentence is about, and predicate is what they're doing. So we're just going to put a line in between the subject and the predicate. For example, number 1. It says the pottery was from a small factory. Well, the subject is the pottery. So I will draw a line. Let me get my writer up there. I will draw a line between pottery and was. Just ignore that was blue. I accidentally clicked. So you'll draw a line and then you'll still put a circle around your nouns. So pottery and factory. Those are our two person, place, or things. Was is our verb, so we'll put a little squiggly under it. And then small is describing the factory, so that will be our adjective. So that's the word that describes. So if you'll turn to page 59 in your activity book and do this right along with me. If you need to hit pause, you can. Hit pause and then you can watch this video right along with me and write in your book at the same time. Some artists draw pictures on cloth. Well, who is the sentence about? This sentence is about some artists, and what do? They draw pictures on cloth. So we're going to separate the subject and predicate by drawing a line. Then we're going to circle our nouns. Our nouns is artists, pictures is a thing, and cloth is a thing. And then our verb is to draw. That's our action word. And we do have one adjective that we'll do a square around and point to our noun. And I actually should have done this one the other way. Sorry. Done a box around the adjective and point to the noun that it's describing. Okay, let's try number 3. Mother bought new clothes for my little brother. Mother bought new clothes for my little brother. So the subject is mother. The predicate is she bought new clothes for my little brother. The nouns are mother, clothes, and brother. Bought is the action word. New is an adjective that describes clothes. Little is an adjective that describes brother. Remember, adjectives always describe the noun, so you just want to look for a word that's describing the noun. Sally feels cranky and sad today. So who or what is the sentence about? It's about Sally. She feels cranky and sad today. So Sally is a noun because she's a person. And let me think. Feels is definitely our verb. Is cranky and sad things? I think they are. So, person, place. So I think cranky and sad are both nouns, and today is describing that. So I think those are nouns because they're things. There's the way she's feeling, so they're things. And today is describing when that is happening. The little boy was out in the red barn. So the little boy's who it was about was out in the red barn was what he was doing. Our noun is boy and barn. Our verb was. Little is describing boy and red is describing barn. Okay, so I want you to do the rest of that page. You'll put a line between the subject and the predicate. You'll circle any nouns that are person, place, or thing. You'll put squiggly lines under the verb. And then anything that's describing a noun, you'll put a box around and you'll point to your noun. Good luck with page 59.